Welcome to Orion Auto Update. Today, we take a ride into history with one of Yamaha's most iconic cruisers, the Yamaha Virago 535. A stylish, beginner-friendly, and reliable machine, the Virago 535 has earned its place as a beloved classic in the world of mid-sized cruisers. A timeless cruiser design, the Yamaha Virago 535, produced from the late 1980s to the early 2000s, stands out with its classic cruiser styling. Its low-slung frame, teardrop fuel tank, and chrome accents give it the true cruiser appeal. Unlike some of its bulkier rivals, the Virago 535 is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for riders who want both style and practicality. The heart of the Virago, a V-twin engine. At the core of the Virago 535 is a 535cc air-cooled V-twin engine. This powerplant delivers smooth acceleration with a moderate 46 horsepower and 47 Nm of torque. It's not the most powerful cruiser, but it offers a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. The shaft drive ensures low maintenance and smooth power delivery, making it a great choice for city rides and weekend getaways. Handling and comfort. One of the biggest advantages of the Virago 535 is its lightweight frame and low seat height of around 720 mm. This makes it easy to maneuver, even for shorter riders. The wide handlebars and relaxed foot peg position provide a comfortable riding posture, ideal for long journeys. Suspension-wise, the telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks offer a smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. Reliability and maintenance. Yamaha built the Virago 535 with durability in mind. Its simple, air-cooled design means fewer moving parts and less maintenance. Regular oil changes, checking the shaft drive, and keeping the carburetor clean will keep this bike running for years. Many owners report high mileage with minimal mechanical issues, proving its reliability. Is the Virago 535 still worth it? Even though production stopped years ago, the Yamaha Virago 535 remains a popular choice for beginner and experienced riders alike. It's an affordable entry into the cruiser world, offering a mix of classic looks, easy handling, and dependable performance. Whether you're looking for a stylish city commuter or a relaxed touring machine, the Virago 535 is a solid option. That's all for today's episode of Orion Auto Update. If you enjoyed this look at the Yamaha Virago 535, make sure to stay tuned for more motorcycle insights. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.